Alright guys, this is a short time-lapse video I made when we was in Norway. We drove up from Oslo to a place called Bognes where we needed to get a ferry to Skagerrak. Unfortunately that ferry wasn't running, they was redoing the ferry terminal. So we ended up going from Bognes to Loddingen. That's probably pronounced completely wrong. It's about a 50-minute ferry ride and it took us about 4 hours out of our way. It turned out to be a great ferry ride even though it was in a snowstorm. So anyway, if you like this clip, go and check out my main channel where you can see the whole